Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Friday, July 3rd, 2026 at 13:45, and today we have our Day 2 outlook to look at for tomorrow. So in our Day 2 outlook for tomorrow, we have a slight risk that encompasses parts of southeastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, southwestern Nebraska, much of Kansas, and northern Oklahoma, and western Missouri. We have another slight risk that encompasses parts of southeastern Ohio, all of West Virginia, eastern Kentucky, much of Virginia, Washington, D.C., all of Maryland, all of Delaware, much of Pennsylvania, including my area, all of New Jersey, and extreme southern New York. We also have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of southwestern Connecticut, eastern to southern New York State, northwestern Pennsylvania, much of Ohio, eastern Kentucky, going down into parts of southwestern Virginia, extreme northeastern Tennessee, northern North Carolina, much of Indiana, much of Illinois, much of Missouri, parts of northeastern Kansas, central Nebraska, parts of southwestern South Dakota, eastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, southwestern Kansas as well, parts of central to western Oklahoma, and northeastern Texas Panhandle. So we do have an extreme northwestern, Arkansas. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. We have New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., and Wichita under the slight, and Indianapolis, Columbus, Denver, Oklahoma City, and Kansas City having a marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses parts of southern Kansas and extreme northern Oklahoma. So we do have those areas under a 2% tornado risk. We have Wichita, Hutchinson, Derby, Newton, and Great Bend under the 2%. So we could see an EF0 tornado possible in the 2% area tomorrow. Going into the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 30% that encompasses parts of central to northern Virginia, Washington, D.C., much of Maryland, southeastern Pennsylvania, including my area, as much of Delaware, and southern New Jersey. We have a 15% that encompasses parts of central and northern New Jersey, much of Pennsylvania, extreme southern New York State, western Maryland, much of West Virginia, southeastern Ohio, eastern Kentucky, central to western Virginia, and extreme northern North Carolina. We also have a 15% hatched that encompasses parts of southern Kansas and northern Oklahoma. And we have a 15% normal encompassing parts of northern Oklahoma, much of Kansas, western Missouri, and northeastern Colorado, southeastern Wyoming, and southwestern Nebraska. And we have a 5% that encompasses parts of eastern Wyoming, southwestern South Dakota, central Nebraska, eastern to central Colorado, southwestern and northeastern Kansas, central to west. Excuse me about that. What is going on here? Anyway, central to western Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, northwestern Arkansas, much of Missouri, much of Illinois, extreme southeastern Iowa, much of Indiana, eastern Kentucky, much of Ohio, northwestern Pennsylvania, southern New York State, and southwestern Connecticut, going into parts of northern North Carolina, and extreme western Virginia, and northeastern Tennessee. So we do have those areas under a 5% wind risk for tomorrow. We have Wichita, Hutchinson, Bartlesville, Ponca City, and Derby under the significant severe. Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., Richmond, and Arlington under the 30%. New York, Wichita, Pittsburgh, Newark, and Jersey City under the 15%. And Indianapolis, Columbus, Denver, Oklahoma City, and Kansas City under the 5%. So for the 30% area, we could see 70 to 85 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow. 15% hatch, we could see 60 to 80 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow. 15% normal, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow. 5%, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% hatch that encompasses south central Kansas. And we have a 15% normal that encompasses much of northwestern to central Kansas and northeastern Colorado, southeastern Wyoming, and southwestern Nebraska. We have a 5%, there's the reset, that encompasses parts of eastern Wyoming, southwestern South Dakota, central Nebraska, eastern Colorado, central Colorado as well, southwestern and northeastern eastern Kansas, western Missouri, and extreme northern Oklahoma. We do have those areas under a 5% for tomorrow. And I forgot to say that extreme northern Oklahoma also has a 15% tomorrow. So please be mindful of that. So we have Wichita, Hutchinson, Derby, Newton, and El Dorado under the significant severe. Wichita, Fort Collins, Greeley, Cheyenne, and Saline under the 15%. And Denver, Kansas City, Colorado Springs, Aurora, and Overland Park under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 1 to 3.5 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. 15% normal, we could see 60 to 70, 1 to 3 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. 5%, we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. So please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for tomorrow, it says clusters of storms may evolve across parts of the Allegheny Plateau into mid-Atlantic and across the central Great Plains Saturday afternoon and evening, posing a risk for damaging wind gusts. Large hail is also possible across the Great Plains. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's Day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Even if you are in the marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great rest of your day. Stay weather aware and stay safe. And if I have power tomorrow morning, I will go over this outlook again tomorrow morning when it becomes Day 1. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.